Hey guys, this is David with Cool Geeks. Just want to give you a glimpse at our new project we just finished. We did a wire-free LG OLED TV for a new client. To give you a look at the process. There were the existing outlets, the pre-existing outlets at the bottom of the wall. I made a new power outlet behind the TV here, over to the side of the TV for the customer's convenience. And there's also a Apple TV that is connected and tucked neatly behind the TV itself. And the overall look is a wire-free TV hanging on the wall that the customer was looking for. Contact us today if you're looking for a quote for your next project. We service customers in and around the Atlanta metro area.